somebody like me, I couldn't go in and I couldn't say to myself when I'm trying to, go to sleep at night, oh, I could have done this. Some people take solace in that they didn't put everything, so that in their head, they can say, if I would have just put this in there, I'd be in his position, or I'd be here, I'd be there. Somebody like me, that eats me up, dude, even before like a fight. If I feel like I didn't check every single box, put every little egg in this basket, I feel like shit, and I don't have confidence going into that fight. Confidence breeds from preparation, and it breeds from what you put into it, from your lifestyle, from what you're reading, what you're writing about. It's an intention kind of thing, I guess. And some people have an intention where they don't want to put all of themselves into it, so they reserve a certain piece of themselves that doesn't get hurt in a relationship, in a fight, in a whatever. They have a certain piece that they can hold on to. But I don't know, it's that piece that if they gave it, you would see the next level of love in a relationship. You'd see the next level of fighting. You'd see the next level of whatever.